This workshop is the fourth intellectual property commercialization workshop held in the Northwest Province from the 18th to the 20th of February 2026. This initiative is in collaboration with the Swiss Federal Institute of Intellectual Property, together with National Intellectual Property Management Office, a unit within the Department of Science, Technology and Innovation, and Technology Innovation Agency, TIA. In the previous workshops held in the Western Cape, the Eastern Cape, and in Gauteng, it has been realized that we have a lot of entrepreneurs and innovators who are not aware that their IP should be protected going forward. Hence, this workshop has been held to educate and capacitate our SMMEs in that regard. Thank you.
Just to also add on what Naomi is indicating, you know, normally the last day becomes one of the most exciting days, which is, though it's the final day of the workshop, but being also another exciting day where the entrepreneurs are doing a more pitching, where they pitch about their businesses with the guidance of the experts that we have from the first day to the last day. There were so many highlights where they talked about IP and IP rights, they talked about branding, they talked about the art of pitching. So it was a lot of opportunities for the entrepreneurs to learn from these experts as they were here for these 3 days. I think from us, it's just being excited that these 30 entrepreneurs that we invited to be part of this exciting workshop, it was one of the things that really, I think at the end of the day, we become so excited to see that these, I would use young people because we had a lot of young people with us. So seeing these young people that at the end of the day, they are benefiting from something that as a Department of Science, Technology and Innovation, we've organized for them to be part of. It's one of an exciting moment for us. So to be at the end today and seeing that these entrepreneurs are going out, having received a lot of opportunities, ideas, advice from the experts, it's one of the things that we are so excited as a department. And seeing that there's a development of these young people and even those other SMMEs that are part of this program. To that end, thank you so much also to these young people that they were able to accept they responded to the call that they should be part of this workshop. Thank you.